Hi, I'm back with another practical video blog over shrink sleeve packaging. I am Chetan Jain, your global packaging guide, author of the books Sleeve It Right and 5 Myths About Sustainable Shrink Sleeve, and Executive Director of Taurus Packaging. I have discussed and written about various technical topics on shrink sleeve packaging. But unless I discuss this topic, which I am going to do now, the collection will be incomplete. I am referring to the common types of defects that occur when we put sleeve around the product container. Let's understand them one by one and how it affects your product appearance. Number 1, flowering effect. Heat causes sleeves to curl and to shrink and form a flower-like structure. It happens either on the top of the container or sometimes at the bottom of the container. Number 2, the fish eye wrinkle. A small patch or local area having improper shrinkage. It appears when warm film comes in contact with a much cooler container surface. It has been discovered the tiny pinhole in the shrink sleeve may not be properly pushing the air through, resulting in the fish eye wrinkle defect. Tearing or overshrinking. As the name suggests, this defect happens due to overshrinkage. Overexposing the shrink sleeve to the heat source. There could be another reason. The bottle shape may be too complex than the regular one with a lot of curves and depressions. Number 4 is color bleed. There are multiple factors for the color to bleed. Most of the time it happens when the container body is wide but the neck is comparatively small or narrow. The chances of color bleed are high in this case. With improper heat application, the dark color or the shades then tend to bleed and ruin the proper shrinkage. Number 5, seam busting. The majority of seam busting cases are caused by improper gluing application during the converting process. Either some dust or air gets trapped during the seaming process, which causes the seams to bust. Connect to your shrink sleeve manufacturer for a quick resolution. Number 6 is sleeve rising. It is relatively technical to understand the rise of shrink sleeve. The type of material used for the shrink sleeve and the shrink tunnel are responsible factors. The shrinkage percentage and its shrinkage alignment have to be considered before it is put inside a shrink tunnel. Number 7 would be a color patch. A simple issue to understand is that when the hot shrink sleeve comes in contact with the cold surface of the container, the color patch appears. Number 8, text distortion. It is usually seen on the container shape, which has a wide or large top and a bottom but a comparatively slim mid portion. When they encounter heat, text distortion happens. Such a case is a typical example of text distortion. To overcome this, pre-distortion is needed in shrink sleeve artwork. It is also noted that the shrink tunnels with a single chamber have seen more text distortion issues. Above are few of the cases that are often seen during improper application, and we can avoid these issues very easily by following the simple steps that you need to discuss with your converting partner, or you can reach out to us. Your packaging partner must have all the solution to your queries. And in case you are experiencing these problems, what are we here for? You can contact us, you can talk to our technical team, you can reach out to me, we can have a meeting. Send us your query to info@tauruspackaging.com, or you can book an appointment directly with me on a one-to-one basis at my website chetan-jain.com. Alright friends, I will not take your leave until my next video, and namaste.